Facebook for once again cutting us off. So I literally stopped, and now we're just gonna finish adding the rest of our leaves, and we'll add our filler, and then we should be finished with our design. So I don't know what's going on. Like I told you guys earlier, Facebook's going through a lot of updates, and I don't know how that impacts us. Hold on. Let me see if I can find me. Here we go again. And we're back in. So I have no clue at this junction why Facebook is shutting down streams. But thank you guys for coming back. We're going to finish this, and then I'll splice this together for the people that are going to catch it on YouTube, because I hate seeing part 1s, part 2s. That is just downright irritating, but I'm not going to let it ruin my day. So again, we're just bringing in some more of our greenery. I'm going to bring in some more of this eucalyptus just right in here. I'm going to take this one in a little bit further. Oop. Hi, Elizabeth. Yeah, and Steve's like, why is that happening? I'm like, I don't know. It's beyond my tech talents to figure out why is that still happening. I have no idea. I just know, just roll with it. It's all good. Just go with it. We're going to tuck one more right in here, and then we're going to add some filler, and then we should be all good to go. I did have another piece of eucalyptus I was going to use, because we added the one down here. I definitely want to make sure we keep it even. So I'm going to bring this one over here a bit so that we can have that match the other side. Okay, so I'm just tucking them in between all the deco mesh ends. They're all technically almost getting attached to the board. Let's bring these out. Kind of wanna, we can bring some way over here if we want. It is all dependent upon you. All right, let's do some filler, and then we will be out. Let me see if I want to use that filler, or if I want to use this filler. Let me look at this filler first. I think I might use this one. So this is a pink baby's breath from Hobby Lobby. So I definitely want to bump that up a bit. And I'm just pulling them off the little sprigs. They're like on like little stem. So I'm just pulling them off and just kind of mixing them in. So we kind of have a little bit, we have like a focal, we have our medium, and so I'm coming in and just adding this little baby's breath piece. Nope, I don't want you going that way. I want you going this way. So it'll kind of come in between those. There's that one. So this means that I will be uploading this video tomorrow, because it takes forever, a good 6 hours plus to splice the video, because we're on satellite. So I'm just bringing that one underneath. I'm just tucking those ones down. There we go. I was actually pulling. Take that one off. push that back on. And we'll tuck a couple in. I kind of want them under the ranunculus a bit, just to separate.
Yeah, almost done. I'll go start doing.
Okay. Okay. And just grab hold of that and just pull them all off. So what do you guys think so far? Trying to get those. All to filter in. So just tucking them little bits here and there, above, below, around all the roses, just like that. And we'll do this side because we have some right here. Yeah, I know, Jeannie. I'll splice it all together. Facebook's being weird. I don't know why. I don't know if it's the temperature out here. Like, I don't know if my camera gets sensitive and just thinks, whoop, it's too cold, rather than freezing. We're going to shut down. But this has been the second time it has done that. So, I'm actually going to take this one down a bit, because I don't want it really hanging directly into my rose. And I'm going to pull this down. This is where you can make all the adjustments in your ribbon tails. Make them fall wherever you want them to be. Okay, we need, I think, 2 more. There's one. And then I think we should be done. Which is so sad. It's like, couldn't you have just held on a little longer? Nope. Obviously, I couldn't. One more piece. Right here under our rose. And then I can show ya what it looks like. We'll get it on the door because it looks funny when everything is laying flat. So, let me show you. You guys ready? Okay. Aw, thanks, Carol. She said, I love all the floral you added, and that bow is beautiful. So the roses, the tea color roses, are from Amazon. They actually came in a bundle. Okay. So let me get all my glue that is hanging everywhere, because that's really going to show on the door. So let me just pull these all off, and I'll give you final dimensions on this as well, because I need to know what those are. Because you need to know when you're listing stuff. How long is that? How tall is that? How wide is that? Oop, one more. Okay. So it is, if we're measuring deco mesh to deco mesh bottom to top, it's 24 inches. It is 16 inches wide. And it is, okay, where's my ruler? When I see it, it just keeps trying to elude me. Okay. About 6 inches at its highest peak. So it just depends. You can bend them down. You could readjust them any way you want. Oh, he already took the wreath off the door. He's quicker than I thought. So remember the cord that we hung? So this is what it looks like from the back. I'm going to take this, tuck that so it's all smooth. We'll add our business card. And this is what it'll look like on the door. So now I can see all the glue threads hanging down, which just really bothers me. Okay. And then see how, like, when we're fluffing it, laying down, it is so much harder to do because we're dealing it on a flat surface, but we're making a swag, so it'll actually hang up on a door. It could hang on a wall. I'm trying to decide where I want that to go. Just like that. We're going to fluff our bow a little bit more. Open all those up. Kind of bring everything all together. Just swag for spring. Built on a unique in the creek rectangle board that looks like, I'll show you what the base was so you can see that. Oop. One of these. That was one of these. So that is now ready to go wherever someone's going to place it. Like I said, you can use it as a centerpiece. Hold on a second. I'm trying to find your right comments. It says this was live. Hold on. I'm trying to read comments. Can you please zoom in? Yes, ma'am, I can. Hang on, you're gonna miss my head, which is great. I think we can go a little bit closer. And if you want, you could hang it higher. Meaning, okay, when I did my hanger, I put my hanger here, okay? So it's hanging from the top two holes. If you want it to hang higher, you're gonna lower your hanger down here, for example. Remember, I have my bow, where I tucked my bow in. My bow is actually sitting right here. Let me see if I can do this. If we take it off. So remember, oops, you guys can't see that. Here's where I have my bow, here's my hanger. Let's just use this for an example. So I am going to take these. I'm just going to twist it together to create a lower hanger. Okay, so I'm hanging it much lower, right where my bow is. So I'm going to take that and I move it up. And now it hangs higher on the door. For me, this is where it needs to go. I don't like it hanging kind of low. I like it centered on the door. So, what do you guys think? Whew. Man, temperature is dropping quick. So yeah, it's super fun. And like I said, you decide, you know, what you want where, what kind of florals you want to kind of tuck in. A little bit here and there, but there you guys have it. So there you go. All right. Hope you guys will be back Thursday. We're going to work on an Easter design. So I'll talk to you then. Bye for now.